This is interactive touch display or an IFP, interactive flat panel. This is also called commercial LFD, large format displays. At present, this is a 75-inch interactive flat panel. You can see this has a metallic body, a metallic frame. It has a toughened glass. It has scratch resistant screen, and it has an anti-glare screen as well. The purpose is, the benefits of this anti-glare screen is that we have to stand for longer durations to present the content to the audience. And the purpose of toughened glass is that it can sustain the wear and tear which is due to the finger or the stylus movement. There is just one touch and you just switch it on and this will be on. It is having only 2-second time to switch on. Just 1 to 2 seconds and it will be on. So a lot of time is saved. It has Android mode, PC mode, and these are the various inputs like HDMI ports, DP ports, VGA, AV. All these inputs are there, and you can connect various devices. That is also called a BYOD, bring your own device, and you can connect it to the panel. This is a composite package which has an inbuilt PC, inbuilt speakers, 4K resolution, which is the ultra high definition quality of resolution, and it has this. When we open the Android mode, this is the note application, and now it can be used as a whiteboard. There are different background colors which can be selected. It can be a whiteboard, it can be a green board, pink board, green board. So based on the requirement or based on the creating the vibrant atmosphere in the classroom or in the conference room, the presentation can be made more vibrant and more dynamic. Here I have simply selected this yellow color to write, and you can even select a black color. There are different colors, and the thickness of the stylus or the finger can also be created. And to erase this, you simply require your 3 fingers and you can erase it, or you can simply select it and encircle it and it will be erased. There is another option. We have written something and we want to erase the entire screen. We simply select this broom and it will be broomed. Now let's say this is the first page where the content has been written. This is the second page. This is the third page. Now the presenter wants to retrieve the first page. He can simply go back to any of the page and the pages can be referred, and all these pages can be stored. And there is another option also. There some content has been written on the board and he wants to refer the same by using the same screen, then we can simply select it and we can squeeze it and we can move it, and this can be referred and the same screen can be used. We can also select the palm and move the entire page. So there is enough space for a presenter to present his presentation and write the content on the whiteboard. This was on the Android mode, note application.
Can we like save the pages on the note, and can we simply email to the?
Yes, that option is also available. There is an option export. Let's say this is something we have written and we want to export it directly. You simply go here, and this is so user friendly. You simply click the export button, and in image format, PDF format, or any of the format, it can be saved and it can be directly transferred. And we can also import the files here. Let me import some of the files. I'll show it to you. This is import. I'll import an image. If there is something on the desktop, I think there is no image stored as of now. But if the images are stored, you can directly bring in the image here, and you can annotate anywhere. If the image is brought here, let's say there's a medical class, the presenter, he imports the image of a lung, then that lung he can import the image and he can do any kind of annotation. And in fact, the annotation part can be done anywhere and everywhere on the screen. This is the home page, and I want to do the annotation. Now this was an introduction about the Android mode, where the note application was shown. Now I'll go to the PC mode. It has an inbuilt PC. Please pause it. Let us see. PC. Now this was an introduction about the Android mode and the note application. Now I'll come to the Windows mode. This is the PC and this is the Windows mode.
Oh wow, this is Windows PC.
Yes, this has an inbuilt PC with I think i3 processor. So it can be upgraded to i4, i5 or i7 as per the requirement of the customer. We can customize it. And as of now, this is not the original Windows. If the client wants, we can give the original Windows, we can give the original Microsoft Office.
Okay.
As per the requirement of corporates. Now, it also has a note application the way there was in Android, but this note application is pretty advanced version.
Okay.
It has many tools. You can see various tools are there. There's a writing board. I'll not show that the different background. The same application, same features. I'll show you the advanced features. Like this is the rough board. You want to use it as a rough board and you simply want to write the result here. So this can be used. Then there is a masking. If you want to mask it, keep something for surprise, for a presentation in a corporate, in a seminar, then you can mask it and then you can simply remove the unmask. So purpose is to make the environment more and more dynamic, more and more creative, and more vibrant.
So you mean this is a perfect for corporate world?
Yes, it will replace all the projectors. Eventually, it will replace, because these things, projectors are not being used anywhere in the world. In first top class countries like US, Canada, nobody is using projectors there because the lighting conditions has to be adjusted. Here, the resolution is so high. This is 4K resolution. Then the brightness is high. So you simply come and you simply start using. You don't need to adjust the lighting condition. You don't need to juggle with the wires. While using the projector, you need to juggle with the wire. The wire is not connecting. Then speaker is not connecting. Then PC is not connecting. Then there is another thing, that is a whiteboard. So you are replacing 4 or 5 components with a single composite package, which is the interactive flat.